Download the images from the description below. Open your image and remove the background. Drag and drop your image to main document. Press Ctrl T and adjust size and position. Open this image. Drag and drop your image to main document. Press Ctrl T and adjust size and position. Reduce the opacity. Set back the opacity to 100%. Choose Magic Wand tool. Right-click and choose Similar. Press Delete key. Press Ctrl D to deselect. Right-click and choose Select Pixels. Hide this layer. Select Layer Mask. Go to Select menu and choose Inverse. Choose the Brush tool. Press Ctrl D to deselect. Hold Ctrl and click to create a new layer below this layer. Add a gradient adjustment layer. Follow this process. Add new layer. Choose the Brush tool. Press Ctrl T button. Reduce the opacity. That's it, hope you liked it. Don't forget to like, comment, share, to support me. Subscribe to my channel for more tutorials.